HTML, CSS, PHP, Dreamweaver? Website creation used to be a barrier for small and medium sized businesses, and the only way to get it done was to get the experts. Well, not anymore. Start your new website today with WordPress. At Get Your Site Rank, our expert trainers teach you how to use WordPress to build websites, blogs, and more. We will provide you with the latest tips and best practices that will help you create a WordPress site that you will love. Our WordPress course comes with structured learning patterns designed to help you master the skills and tools. In our training courses, you'll learn how to 1. Start with the basics of WordPress, from installation to making your first site. 2. Manage your content, from images to text and video. 3. Supercharge your website with social media integration. 4. Make the most of WordPress, themes, plugins, and widgets. 5. Moderate comments on your site. Eliminate spam. With our small class size, you can learn at your own pace. Our training is perfect for business owners, marketing executives, and really anyone who wants to learn how to create stunning, professional, and sophisticated websites with just a few clicks of the mouse. Why spend thousands for a website development when you can learn to do it yourself? Once you've learned our powerful tips and tricks, you'll be able to create, edit, and modify websites with ease. That's not all. We will also be giving away 5 website design templates. And yes, our course fees are PIC claimable, which could mean a huge discount for you if you are eligible. Contact us at contact@getyoursiterank.com for more details.